Here's how you can read messages on Snapchat without actually opening them, and this method works on both Android and iPhone. First, launch the Snapchat app and make sure you're signed in. At the bottom, tap the chat icon to head over to the conversation screen. You'll see any new messages there. For example, let's say you received one from my sister. If you'd like to take a look at the message without letting the other person know, there's a simple trick. Place your finger on that person's profile and then slowly swipe your finger from left to right. This will slide the chat screen open just a little bit, letting you peek inside. The important part is to do this carefully so you don't drag the screen all the way across, otherwise the chat will fully open. Done correctly, you'll be able to preview part of the message without it being marked as read. The key is to stop the swipe before the screen is fully revealed. That way Snapchat won't send a read notification. And that's it. Just a quick partial swipe to glance at the message and you're good to go, without anyone knowing you've seen it.